Hey guys, welcome to Chloe Clariton's DIY with CJR. I'm your host, Chloe, and I am so excited to do another video. I apologize for it taking so long. I've been super busy, and whenever I have a DIY, it just kind of slips away. But now I've discovered one that is the kind that is just one single object, and you are going to like it. So, we need scissors and pipe cleaners, and I've got a bunch of fun colors. And by the video that you clicked on, I think you know what we're going to do, but just to be sure, it is DIY Barbie headbands. Okay, so I'm using this Barbie. I have named her Elizabeth. She looks kind of like an Elizabeth to me. She is the zoo doctor. I got her a while ago. She is wearing some fabulous boots, some green shorts, and a pink crop top. These are very nice, and I think she should get a makeover because she hasn't gotten a lot of new things in a while. So, let's get to work. First, you are going to measure the length of the Barbie head with the pipe cleaner, and we are going to try a bunch of different things today. Designs. I called them things. I apologize for that. And when it has been fully measured, you are going to cut off the excess. And then you're going to tie the back so it stays in shape. And there, you have a nice design there. So now we're going to try another one. Now, I have come to realize that these are not the best scissors to use. So, I am going to go find some other ones. I will be right back. Apologies for the wait. You guys are super patient. You can just fast forward to the part that I come back with fresh new scissors. Okay, now that we have one nice design, we're going to try something a little bit trickier. We are going to do a braided design. So pick 3 of your favorite colors from the colors you have chosen. You're just going to braid. I'm sure you know how to braid. It's okay if you don't. I am not the best at it, but nobody's perfect. Okay. So now that you've probably gotten enough for your doll, you are going to repeat the same steps that you followed for the other design. And then just, there you go. You have a very pretty design. I really like this one. This is probably my favorite I've come up with. And now we are going to do one more design. We are going to use a tinsel pattern. Let me get organized. Okay, sorry. This is the tinsel pattern that we are going to use. It is red, so it kind of matches her hair. So it's not going to be like a halo design. It's just going to be like one of the simple headbands. So repeat by just cutting the ends off of the headband. I'm trying my best to make them even. These scissors aren't great, but I didn't want to leave again and another one. So now that you have 3 beautiful headbands for your dolls, that wraps up our show. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you might have a shout out in my next video. For this video, we are going to give a shout out to Nor Phillip. She has subscribed and commented to pretty much all of my videos. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!